Hey guys, it's Aly Dosdall here at the We Are Memory Keepers booth at Creativation in Phoenix 2018, and I want to share with you a couple of awesome new tools that we've got, the square punch board and the tag punch board. Now what's really cool about the square punch board is you can punch any size square or rectangle from 3/4 inch all the way up to a 3x4 journaling card. So if you have a bulk project that you're doing, or you like to do cards or planner squares, this is the tool for you. So I'm going to show you how we can combine these two together to make an easy tag. So let's say I want to do a 2x3 inch tag. So I'm going to move this little guide here to 2 inches. And I'm going to move this one here up to 3 inches, right there. So then all I have to do is slide my paper in, and it stops on the guide right there, and then just punch. And you've got your perfect square. And the nice thing is you can continuously punch, and you don't have any paper scraps. So you're going to use your entire sheet of paper, which is really nice. So now we're going to move over here to this tool. And I'm going to slide this in, and you can make different depths of cuts, angle cuts on your tag. So I'm going to go up here to F. Well, I think I want to go deeper than that. We're going to try H. Let's try H and see how that looks. And then you're going to, it's just like the other punch boards, just put your little trimmer in the notch here in the guide and slide. And then you flip it over and line it up on the same spot. And you've got a perfectly even tag, no guesswork, which is really nice because when I try to do that with scissors, I never get it right. And then you come over here and you just line it up on these guides. So I know this is 2 inches. So I'm going to put it on the 2-inch lines, and then you've got a perfectly centered hole for your tag. So this is just a great combination of tools for card making, for scrapbooking embellishments, for gift tags, whatever you want to make.
This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Creativation event. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video. Happy crafting!